Hi, I'm Sophie with CrewChief Systems. Please enjoy this next video from Tom's Aviation.
Hi, welcome to AirVenture. My name's Aaron DeZaffer, and I'm the CEO and co-founder of CrewChief Systems. CrewChief Systems is an aircraft asset intelligence platform. We keep the data of your aircraft together with your aircraft throughout its service life, provide a virtual aircraft management system for owners, pilots, fleets. We also have maintenance tools and solutions for mechanics. Immediately upon coming into CrewChief Systems, you're provided with a dashboard specific to your aircraft. This is actually my Mooney. We have total time here. It consists of 6 sections of the dashboard: maintenance, safety, additional tracking, IFR equipment, pilot, and administrative sections. It's meant to be a point of pre-flight situational awareness, and it tells you where your aircraft sits relative to airworthiness directives, service bulletins, and other maintenance requirements. So in this particular case, we're going to go through it very, very quickly. Core maintenance includes your basic information to keep the aircraft in the air and airworthy. As you can see, it gives you your burn down times for how much time left before action needs to be taken. The safety section includes airworthiness directives and service bulletins, as well as any squawks that ground the aircraft. When squawks ground the aircraft, your organization and all the pilots in your organization, as well as maintenance organizations attached to your aircraft, are notified. So everybody's singing from the same sheet of music. Additional tracking provides additional maintenance items that are specific to your plane, IFR equipment, and the like. Everything is clicked through so that you can see we provide analytics associated with your aircraft. In this particular case, we have 83 service bulletins, 87% of which have been dealt with. CrewChief Systems is the only company out there for general aviation, piston singles and twins, and upstream that provides you with the actual service bulletin documentation and airworthiness directives for your plane. You see this information in context, so we can see what is required, when it was last done, when it needs to be done again. To keep this information up to date, you basically provide us with your aircraft records. We do not need you to send them to us. We provide different cards that you can use to bring your aircraft records into the system. Simply use any mobile device, take a picture, turn the page, take a picture, turn the page, submit it through the cloud button. At that point, our team of AMPs and industry professionals get notified that, in this case, 3293 Foxtrot had engine log number 37, page number 37, added to the logbook. They spring to action, transcribe the information out for your aircraft, and ensure your information is up to date. That keeps your plane current, and then you simply log your flights with us. We track consumables for your aircraft. In this particular case, I can put 23.5 gallons in, pre-flight, post-flight, any notifications in, I can add squawks, etc., track oil, and at that point, everybody who flies the aircraft sees the same information, and I can see if my a friend who flew the aircraft put fuel in it, and so on and so forth. We're perfect for partners and flight schools as well. We have full squawk workflow. We also have reservation systems to be able to keep the data of the aircraft, maintenance, together with the disposition of the aircraft, together with the reservations associated with the aircraft, and together with the compliance requirements of the aircraft. We hope you'll come by and see us, and we look forward to having you on CrewChief Systems. Give us a shout. We're at CrewChiefSystems.com. Welcome to the future of aircraft asset intelligence.